way to
the cruise.
Where are you going, Manang?
Mediterranean cruise ang kuno.
Okay, sure.
I'm just going by the...
Our bags are ready. Everything are packed and we're ready to go. See you. See you, cruise ship. Ay naman ang see you.
See you.
Bye, Rome. See you soon. See you later.
Bye, Rome. Hindi, yung mo pa man sa una. O pa may construction sa una.
Bye. Bye, Rome. Jerome.
Di ba the other day nga rito diha paghangdanan?
Kalahati.
Oh, kalahati. Na pa na ito yan.
So we're now here in Sividisha. Sividisha. And they have a freight shuttle going to the ship. We're taking the Norwegian Epic. Epic. They have the... At least dili ka. And this is the bus. It's free going to the ship. Manang.
Hi.
Excited ka na?
First time.
Yay! And now we're here in the terminal. Boarding! Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw! Di pwede sumayaw. Sige, sayaw, sayaw, sayaw! Yay! Ari mo na! Ari dito! Ari mo na! Smile mo na! Smile! Hi! Eight! Smile! Now we're inside the ship. We're going to our
7272.
ano kay 768. 768 naman.
13268.
13268. For Doink. Doink, doink.
Where is 272? Where is
Ah, nice. Oh. Taking the elevator. Abri man na, this is our room.
Ito ba or ito?
Pa red pa gani. O yan.
Agahi kayo.
Hi!
Ay, wala ang ilaw. Ay, buang ibutang na eh.
Bale, 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 bale. Bale, bale, bale. Arrange na. Good for 4.
nanay ko on.
Hi. Eh di, okay lang na. I-ready na lang. This would be our room. Asa mag-CR?
Tara CR.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the beautiful Norwegian Epic.
Let's see. Ato sa inyo ta. Ito sa inyo ta. Kaya mo-check ta sa ko. Separate ang toilet and bath.
Alin ako na ka mga
Alin naman ang hotel. We check 8 rooms. Oh, alin.
Our master station leader. Your assembly station letter is found on the bottom right corner of your room key card.
Ay, pwede na.
If you already have checked in at the station, there is no need to do so again. The location of your assembly station are
This is their room.
Station A.
Oh, they have the separate
X7.
toilet and shower.
Okay na ka, di ka magbuhat, no?
Oh.
Separate ang toilet?
Oh.
Ibig sabihin, pwede ka malibang, tapos pwede ka rin maligo. Yung isa, di
What's
ba?
in here? Oh, they got cabinet.
Ay, wow!
Oh, wow.
Ganda! Ganyan din siguro sa atin, Day.
Siyempre.
Pwede kang ganyan manang, oh.
Discrimination na yung manang.
Alam mo sa ilara. Sugot din ka. Ay, black ate. And this is our view.
Manang!
Already na. Manang, this is our view right now.
Restaurant on deck
We have the balcony.
Engineer and Mrs. Bondal.
Thank you. Thank you, Engineer and Dr. Bondal.
And also
What's in here? We'll check. We'll check.
Also Italian Embassy.
Okay. We have the TV.
Alala, di ana, magkuhan na tamo
Alalalala. Alalalala. What else is here? They have this. Oh, naikuan. Secret. What else? What they have here? Towels. What else? Is this the cabinets? Are they providing
entertainment oh.
mo lagi? That's nice. What's so special with our room here is this one. Surprise! Gayong takay nga ng tapog ko. What's so special is with this. Surprise! Let's see. Pwede lagi! Oh my gosh!
Anong Pilipino?
We can have
Imong steward nga Pilipino.
balcony, big balcony here. If this, the other side will be opened. Nice! So, we're already ready to eat. That's our first thing to do here. Eat. Asa makapadong manang? Asa kaon manang? Manang, asa kaon? Asa?
Mayroon palang beach viewing room. Where's the restaurant?
We have to check because we don't know yet where to
I
go.
think 6.
We are going to Singan Taste Restaurant. And that's the
Is that their lobby? It's not their lobby.
ayun nga.
Where do we go for that?
I think the food court.
Hi Manang. What can you say?
Speechless. First time.
Speechless. We have the casino here. Ingon mo na og ta ate. So we're going to just go around on our first day. Have to explore. Sure. Later. Kaya lami mong sanina. Hi. Hello, magandang hapon. Syempre, maganda. Yay! Yes, we have the view. Wow, perfect. Tagana. Welcome. We have the view.
Risotto primavera.
Dessert. Manang gamay naman yung order man lang.
Magmakwan ka sa dessert na.
Na naman.
Plus cake. Alright.
Gusto ko na may nuts.
Thank you.
Ano yung majar?
Noodle soup,
Chicken noodle soup.
quesadilla,
Inay.
grilled pork chop, ipaluto na yung pork chop. Kanang patay gyud.
Yung lutong-luto talaga. Yung malutong na daw. Yung malutong na daw yung pork
Well
chop.
done po yung pork chop. Well
Well
done.
done. So we usab
Start with noodle soup.
bitaw sa carnival nga long table na sign ra bitaw mo ko
Malanggat salad. Taste your salad na nang. How's your first? Bitaw, gidaghan tanin mo order.
Nga.
Kaya unsa ko in-order?
quesadilla mo.
Lame.
Tagayuki.
Tagayuki. Fish and chips. Ano sa imo, Jar?
Oo nga, pork chop, no?
Ayaw nga pork chop sa iya. Get mo na.
Good.
Pork
Yan.
chop.
Oh, that looks good.
Ay, quesadilla. Napaka-quesadilla imo, day? Quesadilla. Ang sa imo man lang.
Wala pa.
Diyan ah.
Ano sa'yo mo? Risotto.
Nagdala pa yung partner ko ng normal na pork chop. Gusto niya, ma'am?
Cute.
Masarap.
Normal daw, normal.
Ito, extra po. I'll get you cake. Bakit pinag-extra?
Plan. This is what I got. Cream caramel. Ano sa imo, Ice? Eh, singan sa
Ano
imo?
yung kape? Ha?
Ang singan sa imo?
Chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse. Ay, pwede niyan din ako ng ice cream? Para masarap yung sa kanya.
Ay, sarap. Hindi pwede.
Kasi na imo man ang...
That's cake.
Ay, mura man ang...
Parang
egg pie.
Kadang panos na nga pa.
Murag pineapple tart. For the ship! Look at that! Oh, wow! Sweet onion.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Pork chop daw, pork chop. Sauerkraut, sauerkraut. Onion, aso onion. Onion. Ayan, onion.
Okay, wala. Pork.
Hindi mo tayo ni magpan? Kito.
Vegetable yan. Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Cheese. Pepperoni, cheese. Saka vegetable. Uy, tama na yung isa. Buwan ni mo?
Hindi ka kakain?
Hindi ko oy. Hindi ko lima niya po si ate.
Bigas yun ang gusto ko eh.
Ayan, ano ba? Pero gusto ko ko kayo. Ay, wala rin pa.
Unless papasukin ka talaga.
Sa baba ba? Sa baba.
The bridge.
Hindi ba yun?
Ay, kay nani po sila design po nila. Bakit ano mo what's going on?
That's the bridge. Dili di ay pwede. Pwede manggod.
Naamagod siguro. Ay! Ay, patay.
Pabalik yan.
Ayun na, for freestyle daily. And we are leaving Rome. Bye! Ay, ano sa ito nga kuan? Si Visha.
Morning. Sail away, everybody, and get ready for this evening events that we have planned for you. And once again, welcome aboard. Starting today at 7:30 p.m., we have the levity comedy Melvin E. George. Our comedian will be performing a family-friendly show at 7:30 p.m. in the Epic Theater Deck 6 forward. At 9:30 p.m., he will be performing a comedy show in Headliners, and that's for adults only. It's going to be Headliners Comedy Club Deck 6 forward. This evening, we have the Carpenters Tribute with Imti's Duo at 9:45 in the atrium pitch. And the party tonight is the Welcome Aboard Party at 10 p.m. at the Police Lounge Deck 7 forward. Live music we have in the food deck at 8, 9, and 10 p.m. with open.
Oh, nadilaing cruise ship. There's another Norwegian. Murag puro sa amin ilahan ko ate. Murag puro sa amin.
Ang balcony tanan yun. Hindi sila inside.
Naagoy inside.
Balcony tanan lagi.
Ay, di na sa tuwa. Usually inside ate ana ka sa ubos. Kanang naay bintana ano ka sa.
Paano siya nakalabas kanina?
Yung
Bye!
bakit?
May tao ba dyan?
Ay, ang dami. Bye! Bye! Bawa pa sa'yo pag abutan nila.
Di oy di maupa siguro. Bye.
Hi! Alam mo rin lagi, puro sa amin ang ilahang kuan. Ha?
Ato kay di.
The pilot is leaving! Uy, bongo!
Bitaw na siya sa kuwa.
Tayo, ano po guys? Kabayan! 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 Adobo! Namagunat po na sila amigo, ani nga naana. Naag sila daw po trabaho sa una, ana.
Di ba yung lalaki, yung waiter gusto niya sa susunod na barko ipala na.
Kabayan! Kabayan! Alam ko yung mo slide-slide. Ano na po slide, daghang slide. Oh, daghang po to ilang slide.
Ano, mas nagpag po ilang slide, oh.
Slide mo?
Opa.
Yan ang wala.
Oo, nagkapanana pagkita dito. Gusto ni Nini, pwesto na.
Kabayan! Kabayan!
Anagot? Oo, ang bridge. Ako na sa
Kabayan! Manaag kayo. Kabayan! 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 Ano mo? Namagunat po na sila amigo ani nga naana. Oo, naag sila daw trabaho sa una ana.
Anagot? Oo, ang bridge. Ako na sa
Kabayan! Manaag kayo.
Annuncio vobis gaudium magnum. Habemus papam. Eminentissimum ac reverendissimum Dominum. Dominum Robertum Franciscum Sancte Romane Ecclesiae Cardinalem Prevost.
Alam mo na siyang buutan. And it's eating time on our first day. We'll have dinner in...
Sige nga na yung mga...
Asa ta mag-dinner, ate?
Sige nga yung mga kawanay. Sige nga
Asa ta mag-dinner? In Jerome's Request. Request Restaurant.
Anong floor yan? Anong floor yan?
So it's okay. Shanghai. Lang.
Naku, apakapera. Dami pera. Mayaman.
Mayaman si mama. Ano yung order man lang? Ay, you cannot see. Oh my gosh. You're old. I cannot see.
Ingat kayo, baka mapasok ka.
Ay, ay, naku, nakakatakot naman yan. Ay, thank you. So, I got pork pot sticker, steamed Singapore noodles, shrimp fried rice. Anong salad? Parang ayoko ng salad. Ay, ng dessert. Ang kapik. Ay. Kadalawa na siya. You can see they're preparing in front of you. Atong katupo mo.
This is food all over.
I got this steamed pananggat spring rolls. We have the same.
Yeah,
fried
no,
lang.
mine fried, yes.
Shrimp fried rice and Singapore noodles. Masarap na lang.
Manghang.
Amanghang?
Ito yung yung char siu noodle soup. Peking style chicken noodles.
May paiman? Di mo may luto? May luto?
Shrimp fried rice.
Anong minimum na requirement para magkapag hotel? Hotel.
Advantage
Kaya
pag
pala
may
yung
hotel
sikuan.
experience.
Kailangan trabaho ko sa hotel.
Saan ka nag-work dati?
Sa hotel po. Pharmacy hotel.
For 6 years, pero